Hey guys, welcome back to Rain World. I'm going to see if my microphone is better in this recording. If not, then whoopsie doodles, I've made a big mistake, because I'm going to be recording many a minute as this new slug cat that we have on the table today. Now, for today, we have a very special guest, one with a very unique feature that I personally have taken a liking to, at least from seeing it. I haven't actually played as it yet, but I am quite eager to see what this is about. That's right, we're welcoming the Outsider. It has wings, and that is quite an intriguing prospect to me. I've seen it glide super smoothly before, and I intend to figure out uh, how good I can be as the Outsider. As I mentioned, I am not too horribly good at this game. So we'll see. Without further ado, let's get started. I don't like to make 5-minute long intros. Oh god, it's shaking. Oh, he's just such a good boy. Is this farmer race? Oh, oi. I don't want to go down there. I think that's the pit to subterranean. If not, then it's a bottomless pit. Oh no, this is the pit to subterranean. Dang. Why are we here? Huh. Wait a second. Has rain stopped completely? Look down there. The clock is like a whole bunch of crap. I haven't ever. I have used the cheat in this game, but I'm not using the cheats right now. You can check it out in the mod for yourself if you don't believe me. I think that we just straight up don't have rain. Oh, I love this track. It's called Deep Energy, right? Ooh. Oh. Guess I don't have to worry about dying. Wait, no, the echo! Ah, crap, I always forget about the echo. I forget what's in here. Ow! Not death. Yes, death. Just in a minor form. I will take this spear, thank you. Pass it around. Yo! I'll take that karma flower too. Oh! I'm awesome. Oh! I clicked eat! Oh no. Oh no. Do I have to go there? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Please move faster, please move faster. Why is there a yeek? Oh, I forgot that the pit was here. What? Okay then. I guess you can just go through here. Like it's nothing. Oh god, death. Oh my god, I thought Grumblebum was just an arena track, but I guess not. Because now it's playing in-game. Oh! Wait, what's eating up my hunger? Is it flying? Oh, he's such a good boy. He's such a good boy now. Look at him. He's such a good spear-wielding murderous boy. Boy howdy, whoever came here for like their third region, I doubt there was anyone who's able to actually, like, you know, make it here for their third region. But to anyone who did, poor them. That's all I'm gonna say. I do indeed love me some Grumblebum. Isn't this the place with the red centipede in the other campaigns? Ooh. I forgot which one this was. Oh, so it was. Oh crap. Oh wait! Hunter unlocks? Oh! Now, from what I understand of Outsider, they take place between the Saint and Reveal It campaign. I've heard much. Yes! Oh my god, no! Oh, get away from me! Thank you. That's very. He's a nice man. Mushrooms. At the end of the video, oh, I forgot what this check's called. At the end of the video, my god. Great Scott. I will give y'all some, ideas of, who I should play next. Ooh, blue water. Oh. Albino jetfish! I forgot that thing existed. I'm horrendously lost. Don't take this seriously, because I'm not sure if a mod has already been released for this. But I hope there's a mod that makes farm arrays not so unbearable. Heck, I would be glad for there even to be an expansion. I just want there to be a way that doesn't eat up time or rely on some faulty AIs of the reindeer, you know? I think that's something that we can all say. Okay, yep. I will head down here, though. You could just hear the cartoonish pot clanging. No! 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 I made a fatal mistake! Oh, yes I am. Finally, the way clears itself. Oh, I'm smooth. I will sleep, though, because I need me some sleeps. I am EB and EB's to sleepy. I've been through here like a handful of times. Most of the time I will just come through farm arrays. What is it sniffing? Do I get to know? Hopefully it ain't me. Because if it is me, then I am quite screwed. Can beat y'all to it. Where do I? Oh, it's up there. My god. That was the scariest thing I've ever... Oh my god! I need to go away. I need to go away now. Oh my god! Oh god. Now I go into the wet tunnels. Nothingness. Oh god. Oh! Oh, this ain't drainage. Can I make it? Oh my god. I don't know how to get through here. This is anxiety inducing. Oh crap. I got all these on my sandbox, on my PlayStation, but I have yet to get those. Oh. Hi guys, my game crashed. So, I'm going to definitely continue this at a later date. But my game straight up crashed on me. In any case, oh, no. I will see you all next time. Hopefully, by the next time I make a video, I'll have a schedule, and then I will put that on my channel banner. So, until then, peace out. Alright, so, ends up since my game crashed on me. I already recorded the outro, but I forgot to implement this segment. I have 3 slug cats that I am willing to play next time if y'all comment it. I have been wanting to play Technomancer. I have been wanting to play the Soulless Slug Cats. I'll do each in their own video, but that's gonna count as one option. And the third one that I've been wanting to play is Drone Master. Or a fourth option. Sorry, I lied at the beginning of the video. There are 4 options. Or the Cosmo Spectre. I think that's what it's called. One of those 4. Type it in the comment section below. I won't ask you to like and subscribe yet. Maybe when I'm a bit bigger as a YouTuber, you know? But I will see you all next time.